Now, for your oven, we know that people love to cook in the oven. And now people don't know what to do when they got grease inside their oven that burns, doesn't come off. Now, I did some jobs that you cannot see the glass. The glass is filthy. The door is filthy. The bottom is filthy. Terrible, terrible, terrible. They never clean it. So now, if it's like this, like the same thing with your range hood, this is something you can do by yourself, okay? Now, if you got a lot of grease near glass, near bottom, that's what you call me. Not me. So what you do is, for this guy, for if you got a little, and you know what I mean, if you keep maintaining it like this, when you get a little bit, clean it, a little bit, clean it, a little bit, clean it. You don't wait for it to build up so much. You're good to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this guy. I'm sure everybody has this to take off stickers, and I'm using this blade. Be careful with these, it's really sharp. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use. We're gonna use steel. I'm gonna use these and these and these. Simple green. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people don't have rags, but just always keep a bunch of rags in handy because it really works. But I do put some rags right here to keep the grease from the greaser from escaping. This wet rag, we can use it later. Now, what are we gonna do is gonna find where there's grease. Now this is grease. This is grease. This is way to do it, and it's really fast. Now you get some grease here too. Nothing on the top, which is good. Nothing on the light. Just this part, and the glass. Okay. So what we're gonna do? Squeeze on the simple clean. What you're doing actually, you're just soaking it. Now, there is a situation when you have like really build up. That's why I have these guys. I don't recommend to use it like this, but I'm just showing you so you get. So now when you get grease here, you just bend your blade and go like this. You get like big spots. And like I said, this is if you have a little. If you can't handle it, go for it. If you got a big job, if you got a lot of grease, you can't do it by yourself, that's when you call me, okay? And I cleaned the whole system. I cleaned the range hood, the whole system. We take it apart, and so the same thing in the inside. You see, now the key is soaking and scrubbing. Soaking and scrubbing is the best key to take off grease. Okay. Now when you got grease build up a lot, see, if you soak it, you know, sometimes when you're trying to clean it after you just done with the stove, sometimes it works, but sometimes with that grease it just hardens, so you're just wasting your time. So now, this is what you're gonna do. Now you can use that steel scrub if you want, you know what I mean? But you just find the way to use a blade or steel, because it's burned there. So this guy is not gonna take it out. Okay? First you try this. If it's not coming out with that, you move to the next one, which is that guy. Now this is special. It's like ceramic. This is like ceramic paint. It's fireproof and it doesn't come off. You know what I mean? It doesn't come off unless you hit it with something. That's when it chip. Can I add that piece? Now you can use this guy. Like what we did earlier. Showing you the way to do it with simple green, okay? I could use my other chemical, which is a heavy right there, and it's gonna make it a lot faster and easier, but I want you to see with simple green. So we're doing everything with simple green today. We're going green, okay? Not mean, going green, okay? Not mean, okay? Not mean, going green, buddy. That looks a lot better than before. Talking about? So now we got one right here. It's good when you wipe it down with the rag so you see how much you're getting. So if you're just scrubbing, you're just wasting your breath. There's one right there, one right there. We got a little bit here, here, and we got a little bit here. I save you all that headache. You know what I mean? So we set up whatever, not mean. We set up our appointment. I come in with my tools. I cover up everything with plastic. I didn't cover this one. This one it's not that bad. If this one is dirty, I'm gonna be covering this with wood and tarp and covering it with plastic. And I go in the ductwork. I have machines that goes and clean the ductwork too. So there's nobody does that. Nobody knows. Secret recipe. Now, let's see if there's any chicken wing stuck in there or something. Or maybe a turkey or... So you loose up those screws back there. Let me get my flathead, will you? Will you? Will you? Telling you, it's not easy, Mr. Busy. Now, the reason why I want to do that is to take out that water and clean up that stuff that falls off in the bottom. Sometimes they have seals. This one doesn't have seals, which is no worries because Mr. Moo is gonna go and get that done. Now, there's no chicken wing here, which is it's really sad. And look, it's the guy right there. Yeah, it's a good looking setup. You clean up this guy, dry it out. Like I said, we do full service. We don't just cut corners or give you know what I mean? Now you could take this off and go fight with it in the backyard or go to you know what I mean, the White House or whatever you want to do with it. I like to clean it there and take it off and wipe around it. It's up to you. It's your call. You want to take it home, take it somewhere, you know what I mean. Take it to the beach. Actually, yeah. Keep it straight, okay? The screw just goes back in there.